Hey there, welcome to our patio. I'm Jenny and this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are grilling up an over-the-top cheesy bread.
That's right, Jenny. We are making spicy, cheesy pull-apart bread.
This is so good.
This is an amazing recipe.
It's probably one of our favorite things.
Yes.
And you guys probably can't see it right now, but Lauren is lurking in the corner waiting for this to be done.
She's literally ready to pounce. So we should probably get going with this bread.
So the first step to this is our beautiful loaf of bread. We just have a loaf of sourdough bread from our bakery, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a grid pattern into the top of this. As I'm cutting, I want to make sure that I don't cut all the way through the bottom because we need something to pull apart.
Exactly, yep, it still needs to be staying intact. So while Jenny's working on that, I'm going to get started with our filling. We are going to start with some low-fat cream cheese. I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic powder, and crushed red pepper, and mix that up. This is going to be a really nice filling for going in those crevices that Jenny is creating.
Yes. It's a little bit of work involved, but definitely worth it.
Oh, for sure.
All right, so our bread is all cut. You can kind of see that there's like a grid pattern on top. And so the next step is to get this cream cheese mixture into all of the cracks. So this is,
And we're going to slide some aluminum foil underneath it to prepare it for when we put it on the grill.
Yes. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can do this without making a giant mess.
The thing about this recipe, many steps are pretty messy, but as we said before, it's definitely worth it because it ends up making such a great bread.
Yes, very cheesy.
I love the addition of the red pepper flakes in there too because
It's like hidden heat.
yes, and that's something that can easily be adjusted. If you want it a little more spicy, a little less spicy, that's something that you can kick up or down however you would like it. Okay, I did this when we were testing, and I was way messier than Jenny is being right now.
Oh,
I would just like to say.
I'm trying really hard.
You're doing a really good job.
There are a lot of little gaps to fill, though.
There
that's
are,
for sure.
yes.
And you don't want to miss them because someone will have a very sad bite.
Right,
otherwise.
right. Yeah, you don't want that.
Okay.
You're being very thorough.
Thank you.
Okay, so now, as if this isn't enough cheese, we're going to add just a little bit more. So we have some shredded Monterey Jack cheese, and we have shredded provolone. And what I'm going to do is, literally, you guys, just like try to get the cheese in these crevices as much as you can. It's, again, really messy, but it's kind of fun and a really good activity for kids to get involved as well.
Definitely. And you could, definitely get the whole family involved. And if you want, switch up the cheeses. We picked these two, but I think pepper jack would be really good in here.
Yes, that would be a good one.
And then also jam some jalapenos in there.
Oh gosh, that would be awesome. Along with the crushed red pepper, can you imagine?
Yes.
That would be so spicy and so good.
Yum.
Okay, so now I'm adding some shredded provolone cheese, and for this cheese, we actually did just take a block of provolone and shred it. It's a little harder to find provolone that's already shredded, but like Jenny said, it makes such a good combination with this bread. Okay, I'm getting a little aggressive now, but this is...
No such thing.
Oh my gosh. As you said, you have to make sure that no piece is left behind with having enough cheese. Okay, and then I'm just going to take some of the remnants and sprinkle it on top.
Finishing touch.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
I'm going to let you take over from here.
Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper and sprinkle that on top.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm going to just wrap this little bread baby up into its sleeping bag.
It's truly a foil. A little treasure.
Yes. All right, now I'm going to get this onto our grill.
And so this is going to cook on the grill for about 10 minutes, just to really make sure that all of that cheese gets nice and melty. And then we're going to uncover it and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes to really get the top nice and golden brown.
All right, so I think it's about time.
Oh my
Let's
gosh,
take
it's
a
like
look.
Christmas morning.
Oh, beautiful.
The way it's like all stringy and like that got kind of crispy. This is beautiful.
Okay, let's see if I can do this without dropping this.
Yeah, that's precious cargo. So, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, look at that cheese. Okay, final touch. Just garnish with a little green, a little parsley, just to give it some color. There
Oh
we
my
go.
gosh. How fun.
Okay, we need to try this.
All right, what are you going to go for?
Oh my gosh. I don't.
Save some for
Oh my
me.
gosh. Okay, Laura. Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you ready for this? Cheers. Oh my gosh.
So good.
The sourdough is perfect in this.
Good work.
Thank you. Goodbye. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
This is
and it was like pretty simple.
Yes, definitely. Well, we hope you impress your friends and family with this really good cheesy bread.
And to get this recipe on your phone, text bread to 78402.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.